So this tutorial is about the anti-turn angel roll, and here it is here. It's quite cool, and I'm going to do it in slow motion just so you absolutely know what I'm talking about. So you do a full 360 against the staff, as it were. So angel roll is obviously a prerequisite for this. And the front angel roll where it goes over the throat as well. I'm going to do that again just to make sure you know. There you go. Bam. So here it is in ultra slow motion. Angel roll up to the throat. I'm already turning. It goes across the throat, across the neck, back across the throat, down the arm. So the couple of main things to think about when doing this. You're going to have to turn against it. You're going to have to try and get a lot of height on the center point on the first angel roll section of your arm, and to turn early. To turn your body early so it's easier to complete the turn. Obviously, you're going to have to lean your head back for that. Bam. So we're going to discuss a little easy way to get into it, and that is from placing it on the shoulder as if you're going to do a halo roll. Goes across the throat. I'm already turning. Over the neck. Across the throat, though that kind of blends into going down the arm. So yeah, there's a halo roll, and then I'm going to do it from the halo roll. So that's one way to get a good understanding of what's going on in the middle, which is the novel section. And there you see it doesn't have to go down the arm, I just catch it again in my hand. Oh, I do a slow-mo turn. Ba-bam! Across the throat. I'm already leading my body into the turn. Then down the arm. So here on over the throat, I lean back obviously. Oh, that was just the front angel part. So now the main thing is getting it to start from the angel roll. So you'll see it does kind of transition from high on my shoulder to the turn and the neck wrap. And that's because it's quite a lot easier to do it that far away, and I got more space to kind of get my chin and my head out of the way. So then, yeah, that's going around the neck. This is what's happening again. See that leaning back to get it to go across the throat. That leaning back will help keep it in plane as well. My planes on this are not perfect. See there, you see leaning back, and I'm already turned into it. You can see it much more clearly there that I'm starting like a quarter turn already around that pirouette. Oh, from the other side. Woo! You'll see me facing the camera a lot. So here you'll see much more clearly. I'm turning early, and then it's going from my shoulder, not from right beside my neck, into the neck wrap. And obviously you do need a lot of extra height on this to get it to wrap more on the center point across the neck. So the center point should be way higher than normal here. I'm leading in early into the turn, getting my head out of the way, the noggin, and then the end, I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't go downwards too much, so I'm trying to keep my arm up to finish it off as an angel roll and not just as catching a drop. But getting that center point high is the main thing. Hopefully you can see here, like that early hit off the shoulder helps keep it high, and then it rolls back down to the hand. Closer to the neck it is, the better you've got to be, and the more you've got to get your head out of the way. I'm doing it across from my shoulder so that I have a bit of a bit of ability to see where it's going and to compensate for it, and I don't have to be quite so perfect with my head. These are my patrons. They're very kind, very nice people, very good at contact stuff. If you would like to help support me and help me make more videos, you can check out my Patreon page, which is somewhere that I'll put a link to it on. Okay, cool. Thank you, patrons. You are the nicest.